Ever wondered what happens when a cruise ship sails straight into a storm? It's not what you think. Cruise ships look massive and safe, but when nature turns wild, things can get intense. In this video, we'll break down exactly what happens during a storm at sea, how the crew reacts, what passengers experience, and the surprising safety systems that keep these floating cities stable. Cruise ships track storms days in advance using satellite weather systems. Captain may change the route or delay sailing. Announcement is made on board to keep guests calm. If you ever hear the captain say we're taking a different route, it usually means bad weather ahead. Strong winds, rain, and rough seas. Ship might rock a bit. Pools closed, outer decks off-limit. Weather radar helps avoid the storm's worst center. Emergency protocols ready but rarely used. Most passengers don't even realize how much tech is protecting them. Crew inspects the whole ship. Everything returns to normal. Sometimes even the best sunsets appear right after storms. The calm after the storm, literally. So next time you're on a cruise and see dark clouds on the horizon, don't panic. These ships are built to survive almost anything the ocean throws at them.